Hey guys, Buck WSR Weezer putting the do in the do-it-yourself. Just wanted to give you a quick video. I'm working on this Echo string trimmer, the SRM 225, and I want to show you real quick how to replace the trimmer head. And this is the straight shaft model. There may be other Echo trimmers that are exactly the same as this. So first, as you already see, I've got a screwdriver. There's a notch right here, and it fits into a hole. You just got to line it up just right, and you can stick a screwdriver in there, and that will immobilize the head enough to unscrew it from the shaft. Now, let me see if you can see that. Give you a view from down below here. I've got it laying on the table. Hopefully that's clear enough to you. And a nice view of the sky in the back. Anyway, what I want you to remember is it's not lefty-loosey, it's righty-loosey. So these are reverse threads. Now I've got this great big screwdriver here with a long shaft, and I'm going to stick it up in here where I can then loosen the head's being immobilized by the screwdriver up here, and then I'll be able to should be able to loosen it with this big guy who should give me leverage. So righty loosey, right? And he's coming down. All right, okay, that's pretty good. Now we're going to reuse this piece right here. We're going to reuse. So hang on to him, and let's prepare the new spool up top. So that's this guy right there, and so we're going to separate the top half and the bottom half, pushing in these tabs. A little windy today. Move him off to the side. Also, I'm going to take out the spool. All right, so then we're left with exactly what we took off right there, and then we'll go back down under and put it on the reverse of how we had taken it off. So our screwdriver will there immobilize that. And so this is going to be up like, no, I think that was this way, wasn't it? Like that. Up into place. Lefty tighty. There it is. And let me show you how you put the rest of the spool on and wind string on it. So on the top of the head, there's a couple of arrows. There's one there and one here right on the opposite side. So what you want to do is you want to align those arrows with the holes where the string is going to come through. So align those. Then push the spool up in place like there. See, the string is going to go straight through here like that. So this is going to go up in place, and then we're going to push our new line. We're going to align all of that and get it to come straight through the other side. Okay, straight through the other side, and and pull it halfway through so that both sides are the same length. Got about 10 feet total here, so 5 feet on each side, approximately. Now push your cover up in place, clips into place. Then hold the top ring and just turn this, and it will wind the new string onto the spool. About like that. And now you're ready to go. Hope that helps you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.